Here's a 15-minute full-body workout routine for beginners. Warm up, 2 to 3 minutes. Start with some light cardio exercises such as jumping jacks, jogging in place, or marching in place to get your heart rate up and blood flowing. Squats, 1 minute. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your toes pointing forward. Bend your knees and lower your body as if you are sitting on a chair. Keep your back straight and your knees in line with your toes. Push through your heels to stand back up. Push-ups, 1 minute. Get into a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the ground, then push back up. Lunges, 1 minute. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Step forward with your right foot and lower your body until your right thigh is parallel to the ground. Your left knee should be just above the ground. Push through your right heel to stand back up, then repeat on the other side. Plank, 1 minute. Get into a push-up position, but instead of lowering yourself to the ground, hold the position with your arms straight and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Crunches, 1 minute. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Place your hands behind your head and lift your shoulders off the ground, then lower back down. Mountain climbers, 1 minute. Get into a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart. Bring your right knee towards your chest, then switch and bring your left knee towards your chest. Glute bridge, 1 minute. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Lift your hips up towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top, then lower back down. Side plank, 30 seconds on each side. Lie on your side with your elbow under your shoulder and your feet stacked on top of each other. Lift your hips up, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Cool down, 2 to 3 minutes. Stretch your muscles to help prevent soreness and improve flexibility. Remember to listen to your body and take breaks if needed. Gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts as you become more comfortable with the exercises.